Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this car wash mop. So here's everything that comes out of the box. We do have to put it together a little bit, but I like that it has a hand. You can put your hand in here and wash your car. It does come with an extra one of these, and there is some padding in here. That's kind of nice. And again, you can put these in your washing machine, get these all nice and clean. It does have a strap. You're going to put it on there, and you're going to cinch this strap down, and then you're going to tuck it down in there like that. Lift this up, and now that's where we're going to attach this first piece. So the first piece has some threads. You're just going to screw it in like that. Then you're going to take this next piece and you're going to slide it on. See how there's a little ear right there? Slide it on. Kind of pinch that little ear in. Now you're going to put the next piece on. Same thing. This has the cushion on the handle. I like that cushion. Now the last one is going to be the handle with the hook. And again, same thing. Now I could take a section out. I like that I could put this handle right down here even if I didn't want a super long one. Okay, so this is really long. That's 57 inches long. And so each one of these pieces measures about 14 inches. So again, I could take this section out and just put these two handles on, or I could just put this handle on. Okay, let's measure the cleaning surface is about 10 inches by about 8 inches. And it glides really easy. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.